after a 2-day ferry from Portsmouth, we arrived in the north of Spain and headed on an 8-hour drive to our new home. We were all exhausted from the trip, but the excitement kept us going. We stopped along the way to refuel, stock up on snacks, and let the dogs out for a run. Oopsie. Now, you make a bed for yourself. I think I'm going to lay all the jackets on. You can fit it. Stand down.
Goodbye.
We were finally here and just about to see our new boat for the first time. How exciting.
There it is. Is that it? Oh! Is it actually it?
No, that's it. There's a boat.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, there's a boat. Layla, it's your new home, baby. It's your new home. See? Anytime, let's go. Is that a yes?
So.
Okay, Nick, what we need to do to start with
Yep.
is I need you to put the plank back on the shore, then unplug the shore power, give me the cable back.
How on earth are you going to get back to shore now, Nicholas? Getting prepared to leave. Lots of dogs inside.
Try to get across.
Shit. This is gonna end well. Wow. Well done.
So how was setting sail for the first time?
It was great, went better than expected. I was only a teeny bit nervous.
You're right.
A teeny bit. More like very nervous.
Had my lesson from our next door neighbour. Oh, you really should have checked whether that rope was going to get caught before you left.
You need to
Just as well I was here to help you out. Never mind. But
told him he needs to prepare the lines, which we were taught, so we need to do that in the future. It's a bit stupid, but first time for everything. Early the following day, we set off towards Porto San Pedro to have our new solar panel frame fitted and to give Aventure's bottom a good clean and anti-foul before we set sail to Gibraltar.
yes. So we've been staying for the last few days in Torrevieja, and one of our members has a bit of a problem saying Torrevieja. So Anisi, can you just say Torrevieja, please?
Torrevieja? Toria Vicar. Toria Vicar.
No. Toria Vicar.
Toria Vicar.
There's no vicar there. Toria the vicar.
Toria
Vicar.
Toria Vicar.
No. Okay, we give up.
That is so funny.
So we're raising the mainsail.
We are raising the mainsail for the first time. We're going to have to pull up into wind. We're on a nice course at the moment and we're doing nearly 9 knots speed over ground because the wind's behind us, and with this great big canopy up it's acting like a sail. It's either the canopy or maybe the new solar panels. But anyway, we were doing about 7 knots yesterday. Now we're doing nearly 9 at the same 2,500 revs per minute. So we're making good progress, but I don't want to be motoring all the way, particularly while the wind is behind us. So I think we should get the mainsail up.
I think so too. That's a good idea.
Let's do it. Very good idea. Let's go.
So we finally managed, we've got the sail up. With the little doggies,
Zoe looks a bit worried.
she was petrified when we were heading into the waves.
Layla's pretty chill. Layla does not miss at all. It was a tough 2-week sail to Gibraltar, with strong winds on our bow and choppy seas for most of the way.
Gibraltar, like myself, becomes a British citizen. We get the same passport, same documents.
So if it's British for 300 years, then how come our tour guide is Spanish?
No, I'm British. I'm 100% British. Gibraltar, we've got Spanish, we've got Genoese, we've got Portuguese. You've got to bear in mind, we've got a very big community of Hindus, we've got another very big community of Hebrews, and we've got another big community of Muslims. Okay, if we look to the small mountain there, on the left hand side, that is Ceuta. You heard about Ceuta. Ceuta is a Spanish colonial city in Morocco.
It's a bit like a Gibraltar,
Yeah.
in that it's a Spanish
Yeah.
community
Yeah.
that's in Morocco.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And it dates back to the 1400s. Couple of minutes, we are getting down again.
The need for speed is what I defeat. What do I need is a coconut.
These monkeys, you will only find them in North Africa and in Gibraltar. You won't find them anywhere else.
You good now?
We cannot come in the water without
So over here, no winds. You go over here.
She's looking at something up there.
Yeah, she is.
Where is it?
You're not comfortable with something.
Where's it? Where's it? Where's he gone?
Oi. Come on. Oh, there we go.
Just don't touch him, let him be. Well, so you can just call a couple of them on me, that's fine. Guys, gonna pick up the minibus.